thutha wa ihiga hari gwitikirikana kiama kia Jubilee kuingira hitahitanini ya giturwa kia ugavana Senator Mike Sonko muthiaini ni akinyaniririe kuneana maratathi make. Aumetwo thutha ni arumiriri ake Senator Sonko neanire maratathi macio ari muthi wa muthia wa gwika uguo thutha wa kahinda kau kuongererwo na thiku 5 gukinyeria hwaini wa umuthi.
I've never been convicted by any case, so I wonder why there was a delay by tumejua tumepata tumeona nani alikuwa behind it. Kuna one senior officer alikuwa anapigia ofisi ku-intimidate my schoolmates all over. So mimi si kama Joe hivi he cannot produce a gown of his graduation ceremony. Yeah.
Senator Sonko atati Peter Kenneth na Margaret Wajiro na mubuge Dennis Waweru riu magitanyo kung'ethana gwetha tigiti wa kiama kia Jubilee kuhurana giturwa kia ugavana kaunti-ini ya Nairobi. Na tigiti wa kiama giki ni ugayukanitie kiama giki miaho-ini iri mwaho umwe kinyita mbaru Peter Kenneth na ugio kinyita mbaru ana aya na aria maraita team Nairobi.
We will not replace Kidero with another Kidero. We will replace Kidero with a people working county government.
We've seen what PhD holders have done. Masters, what were masters, how the managers, the corporate managers, we've seen what Kidero did in Mumias. Our friend in Jubilee.
They still with the paper and the pen.
Our friend, you don't know what happened in Kenyari, you guys.
Sisi ndio tuko na wananchi. We are the people.
Na uri ukarirukia federa ya kiama giki riu atanyitwo kung'ethana na Governor Evans Kidero na uria ginyagia gutari na mundu wonekete kwiyumiria mwaho-ini wake wa kiuteti kurirukia federa ya mung'ethaniro.
And we are telling our opponents to be very, very, very ready to go back home come August 8th.
Na tumeona wale wenzetu they are trying to do tribal politics which has been overtaken by events.
Wawache kudanganya watu wa Nairobi ati hao ndio preferred, waende mashinani wafanye kazi.
Mubuge wa Guthukio Johnson Sakaja riu akiwana na giturwa kia useneta uriri atumia kaheri meyumiretie gwetha giturwa kia mubuge wa county. Mubuge wa kahidaga ka Rachel Shebesh atari aramukania murugamo wake.
Nairobi tutirendaga nomination. Munene ndarendaga nomination. Oguo muronire Mombasa maroire mundu umwe governor na ucio ungi deputy maranyitithanio. Noguo mahote ko face Joho me strong. Oko Nairobi tutirendaga nomination. Turendaga andu maikare metha-ini, especially andu aria marendagite kia governor. No ni maremirwo guikara thi maiguithanie uria munene endaga atia endaga.
Governor Kidero ankoretwo kirene mwihoko wake kuyukia itina ringi gutongoria kaunti ya Nairobi. Grifotera Inoro TV ritorako ni Macharia wa Gachuru.